This is how you can fix your wobbly Canon 6D hot shoe mount and other Canon cameras. For this you'll need a fine mechanics Phillips screwdriver and also a flat head for your screwdriver. So let's start. So first we'll take down this, and now we'll use our flathead screwdriver to kind of push this piece out, and if not, you have to pull it from these sides as well. So push it out. Remember the way you took it out, and now use the Phillips screw to screw in these small bolts. Pop this back on, and voila, you're done.